So atong theme karon is empowered to be fruitful. God's call to the now generation. So key verse John 14:15. Empowered to be fruitful. Mo man atong theme karon nga month no, fruitfulness. Sige giwali nila pastora. So God's call to the now generation. Di ba karon naman tay different generations na ay silent generation mo tiyag una. Then the baby boomers, then Gen X, then the millennials, mo ang Gen Y man ang millennials, then Gen Z, and then the generation Alpha. But let me introduce to you a generation nga gikan pa sa una, sukad pa sa sinugdanan, the generation nga God wants us to be a part of. The generation that God wants us to be a part of from the beginning of humanity. But before that, church, let's be honest. First, how often do we say things like, the next generation ay bahala na, sila na i-fix ani, mga problema karon. Or maybe someday God will move. Or ako na siyang buhaton, mo action ako if I'm more ready, if I'm more mature, when I'm more equipped. Kaya we live in a culture man nga believes in, di lang mo believe, mo loves tomorrow thinking. Sa man ang tomorrow thinking ka ng culture ba nga, someday, later, when I'm ready, but here is the truth. Muni ang tinuod mga igsuon. God never waits for someday people. God moves through available people, the now generation, not people with kanang perfect ang timing mapag-abot. No, not people with flawless understanding, itong mga bright kayo, dili. And not people nga na-feel nga strong sila, confident sila, or completely equipped. Kaya graduate Bible School. Graduate, bisan asa, nag-pastoral, nag-doctorate. No. God uses kung kinsa ang available karon. The now generation, the now people. So, ganahan ba ta ma-part sa now people? The now generation is not defined by age. Dili ni siya about sa edad, di pareha sa generation sa kalibutan. It is not about youth or experience. The now generation is defined by obedience, surrender, and responsiveness. Wala man niingon ng Ginoo nga, if you understand me, if nahuman nakagtuon sa tibok Biblia, if nahuman nakagtuon sa tanang mga graduate na kag-Bible school, if you understand me fully, then you can follow me. Wala. Wa po siya niingon nga, if you are ready, then obey me. Wala po. Ang iyang giingon, if you love me, obey my commandments. Inotice ato ang present tense. Kay nagtuog ko nga, ang Ginoo mo gyud ni ang istorya niya nato karon. Kay timeless man ang words sa Ginoo. If you love me, obey my commandments. Notice the present tense. Present tense. So love is proven now. Dili, ako i-prove sa iya nga love na ko siya sa Ginoo kay inig makuan ko, ako na siyang buhaton. No. Love is proven now. Karon, this moment. Not in action, not just in intention. Yeah. If you are God is looking. Maminaw ta si church ha, mga isuon kay this is urgent good. God is looking for those who will respond today. Dili ugma. Today. God is looking for those who are willing to move, obey, and bear fruit in the moment. Bisan pa o feeling na to uncomfortable, sa inconvenient, o sa ibang palusot, dili sure kung say may tabo ugma. God is looking for those who are willing to move now, to obey now, and to bear fruit now. So I want you to hear this clearly. Your now matters to God. Your obedience today, our obedience today matters to God. And our faithfulness right now will bear fruit for eternity if we obey Him now. The question is, will we be a now person? Will we be part of this now generation.